Hi guys, I just received my Play by Sephora a few days ago. I received this also late. Um, and again, this is Play by Sephora for November 2019. I just wanted to show you what I received. And this is the bag that it came in. It says Play by Sephora and it's in purple. And yeah, I just wanted to show you the stuff that I got in there, and this is what I got. The little paper that they always, well, it's actually a big paper that they always put in there, and it lets you see the samples that you got. And it says the Stay In and Play book. If I'm not mistaken, I think I had received the Insider Points card, but I misplaced it, so yeah. So this is what it looks like in the front. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like. The products that I have received in there. And these are the products that I received. And it says Beauty for Self-Care. And these are the items that are in there. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. Now I'm going to show you the items that I received. And the first item that I received is Ciate. And it says here Watermelon Burst. And it's a hydrating primer. And this is for the face. These are all mostly products for the face. And again, this is what it looks like. The next item that I received is by Clinique, and it's a lipstick. And I'm going to take it out and show you what it is. This is what it looks like. It's a really dark lipstick. And I can't see the name of it. I think it's, no, I can't see the name of it, but I'll put it in the description. Again, this is what it looks like. And then the next item that I received is Living Proof. And it says Full Thickening Cream. And if I'm not mistaken, this is for the face also. But I'll let you know in the description. And then the next item that I received is Kiehl's, and it says here, Serum-infused water cream, and this is for the face. Then the next item that I received is by Lancome. And this is also for the face. It says concentrated active reader. It says youth activating concentrate. And this is for the face also. So I don't know if I'll be trying all of these because my face breaks out very easily. Then I received this cologne. It's Atelier cologne, and it is called Pacific Lime. And it came with a really pretty card, and this is the card, like a postcard. And this is what it looks like in the back. And it's a perfume. And I'll just stick this here. And I always like things straight, so yeah. These are the items that I received in my Play by Sephora little bag that I got here. And yeah, these are the items. And again, I just want to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Or subscribe. I'll be getting more products. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.